Welcome to your tropical getaway, Royal Caribbean's perfect day at CocoCay. Come along with Marvelous Mouse Travels as we tour Royal Caribbean's private island in the Bahamas, which is available as a stop on most Bahamian and Caribbean itineraries. We'll start our tour of this beautiful island right here in the Hideaway Beach area, which is one of the adults-only sections of the island. We also invite you to pause the video and scan this QR code to get a digital map. As we make our way from the ship towards the island, one of the first features we can see is Daredevil's Peak, which is a water slide which is a whopping 135 feet tall. Remember the entrance to Thrill Waterpark, which is located in the main entryway to the island. We'll come back here multiple times throughout our tour for wayfinding. From this main entry point, there are shuttle buses which will take you all over the island. As we make our way from the shuttle station towards Hideaway Beach, we take a moment to admire the utopia of the seas and the wonder of the seas. These are 2 Oasis class ships. They're actually the newest ships in the Oasis class, and they're sister ships, so their layout and amenities are very similar. Royal Caribbean definitely had Instagram in mind when they set up this great photo op, complete with a place to put your camera where you can pose for a picture in front of the ships docked at the island. One of the first things you see when you arrive at Hideaway Beach is the On the Rocks bar. This bar has absolutely phenomenal views of the ocean, and it's a great place to relax and enjoy a beverage as well as some great conversation. As you can tell, you will definitely not struggle to find a chair at Hideaway Beach. Plenty of seating is available. Restrooms are readily available at multiple locations on Hideaway Beach, so you'll never have to worry about being conveniently located near one. We also got to see some island wildlife friends during our tour. As you can see, this covered bar area leads directly towards the infinity pool, which has an absolutely beautiful view of the ocean. Let's be honest, I can't imagine a much better way to spend my beach time than curled up in one of these amazing lounge chairs, or even in a private luxurious cabana like this one. Off to our left is Slice of Paradise, which is one of many places to grab food on the island. Personally, if I was going to rent a private cabana on Hideaway Beach, it would be this one with this shared pool. We're now going to go back the way we came to our wayfinding point near the entrance to Thrill Waterpark. Inside Thrill Waterpark, which is one of the family-friendly sections of the island, you'll find ample locker space available, as well as this great wave pool, which would be a super fun place to hang out all day. The Snack Shack is another favorite place to grab some food on CocoCay. Here we see the adventure pool, and check out this water slide. It looks absolutely awesome. Don't forget, you can also zip line on CocoCay. Here we get a view of the Kids Zone, Splashaway Bay, as well as some of the family cabanas that you can rent in Thrill Waterpark. And here's Captain Jax back at our wayfinding point. And now get ready to experience the most luxurious part of Perfect Day at CocoCay, the Coco Beach Club. We're even going to show you an Overwater cabana. Regular cabanas are available for rent on Coco Beach Club in addition to these beautiful Overwater cabanas. Your private cabana attendant is available to bring you food and drinks all day so that all you have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy those beautiful ocean views. Now we're going to hop on a shuttle near Oasis Lagoon and take in views of some of the other beaches available as we make our way back towards the ship. We hope you've enjoyed this overview of Perfect Day at CocoCay. And keep in mind that if you want personalized planning assistance to help you figure out which parts of this island are included with your cruise fare and which are an additional charge, as well as what options are worth the extra splurge, our travel agents provide concierge-level planning services completely free of charge. The price to book through us is the same or better than what you'll find on Royal Caribbean's website. So to get started planning your cruise today, visit us at marvelousmousetravels.com. Thanks for watching.